Hello and welcome to this KNX product training. I'm going to teach you how to configure the lighting control, include switch, dimmer and shutter control and fan coil control in touch panel from Interra manufacturer. So in this course we are going to learn how to deal with the panel configurator from Interra. By the way, my name is Amir, I'm a KNX tutor and I hope to be able to provide you the adequate training. So let's start. As I said, the main goal of the training is to learn how to provide control of light, shutter, fan coil in touch panel. So this is a touch panel. This touch panel is client plus include embedded mini server inside. So the wiring of the touch panel is important. Always you should provide the KNX bus communication, the required power supply for touch panel, the connection for network, and if you have some input and output using the touch panel, you can do the wiring for that. So this is the panel configurator. Now we are going to see how to deal with panel configurator. Okay, so this is the panel configurator. So when you open the panel configurator, you can click on create a project. We name the project sample for YouTube and we click OK. So then we click on the sample for YouTube and right click, we add block, for example block B1. Then we come to block B1, right click, add flat D1, come to flat D1, right click, add panel server. Which type of server you have? Server 1, touch panel, server, and so on. We go with server, touch panel, with server inside, and click OK. And this is a server. Okay, good. So now we are there in the right configuration. We right click here, right click on server and click on general setting. This is a general setting. Here it's important for setting the IP of the touch panel. Of course you should set the IP of the touch panel by default. On the touch panel, go inside, use the password 1234 or 0000. Try both of them, and when you go to the configuration you should set the IP, but here also in configure setting we are going inside of it and assign the IP address, for example 192.168.100, net mask 255.255.255.0, 192.168.11, and DNX, for example, we can go with this 48. When we do it, click on save and change successfully. Okay, great. So here we can import the ESF file from file. Here import ESF file. This is possible. So how to import ESF file? For example, I go to here, the project in ETS, click on export, select the ESF output, save. Then I come here, import ESF file from download. I have it. Yes, this is imported. back. Okay, good. So then I go to the location, choose floor, for example, this is in floor 02, and the icon, click on save, come to floor 02, add location, for example, location office, choose the office, choose the icon, save. I come to the office. Okay, now this is the place that we are going to assign what we are searching about. Okay, so for lighting, you remember in our ETS we have the group address for lighting, we have two group address for control and status. So here we can write, for example, light 1, and the on-off address we can write, import it by hand. For example, write 0 to 0, or we can select from ESF. Okay, from here 0 to 1, you see this is a status switch, 0 to 1, so this is two-way. Then icon like this, and click on save. It's added here, and later on when we upload the file into the touch panel, we can see this light. Also for lighting, we have the dim, so dimmer. So we select the dimmer again from here. We call it light dim 01. Then if we want to place it as a second one, we can place the order, put the order for each of them. For on-off status, what we have, we go to light dimmer. For on-off status is 030. So here by hand is like this, 030. Or we can easily use the ESF. Okay, so what is this? This is on-off status. So this is 1-bit status, on-off status 033. Value address, this is an absolute dim, so we go with absolute dim. And value status, this is a light level, 1 byte status. That's it. So we imported all the group addresses here. Once more here for light dimming, we have control switch, control relative. Relative we do not use it in this part of this kind of touch panel, but for absolute, for status on off and status light level. That's it. For icon we use icon, for example like this, and click on save. This is added here. So the lighting is finished. For the office, we can add more functions. For example, we can go to shutter. For shutter, we call it shutter, for example, B. Then this is a normal blind. For move and stop, this is one of the type of the shutter we can define it. Of course, we have other things. We can use curtain, or instead of normal blind, 1 byte blind with other data point type. But we go with this one as a simple one. So for movement, so we come here for shutter, movement is 010, and for a stop is 011. So here easily we go for 010, 01, okay, let me write it by hand, 010, 010, and stop one is 011. simply select the icon and click on save. That's it. Great. So then we can go for HVAC to control fan coil. First of all, we write here fan coil and click on save. Oh, fan coil 01, for example, for this room. Then it's added here. We select fan coil number 1, come to the right hand side, click on new, choose the what function we needed. Okay, for example, we need the set point, so we click on set temperature group, click it on OK. As a first step here, always we should assign the name for this block. So one click here, their color is changed, we put it name, for example we say set point, and the order is 1 because we want to keep it up. Click on save. Now we are going to select one by one. The plus, we said this is going to increase the temperature. For the set address, we go for fan coil units. Control set point 004 0/0/4, and for the read address is 0010. Status of the set point 0010. We choose the value. We choose the value offset. In this case, maybe for other thermostat, other things, you should choose the different value type. At least you can choose what you need here and try to test on the touch panel and see if it works fine. But for this case, between these two devices, the thermostat ITR3 and this specific version I have, and the touch panel I have, this type of value type is working. The minimum value is 10 degree, the maximum value is 30, the step is 1, and I assign the icon plus, then I click on save. It takes time to make the fan coil works here. Then go to the status of the set point. This is the set point, current set point. This is a read address for current set point. You remember it was 0.10. Then I click save. This is minus, decrease. I simply come here, control, this one, and this is the status of the set point, value 10, 30 maximum, step 1, and icon minus. That's it, save. This is finished. Congratulations. Okay, good. So now I want to show the current room temperature also here. So click on new, choose the room temperature group, click on OK, make the color change. This is the room temp. The order is 2. Click on save. Click on the number, temperature, click here, status current temperature 0012. We click it, you can see also here 0012 is the status current room temperature, and save. Okay, as a next step I want to assign for the manual speed fan. So here I click on new, I come here, select the fan speed, add 4 button for fan speed and click on OK. So then click here, name it fan speed, the order is 3, click on save. Then the first left one is to call auto. For the auto, we click on here, we control the manual auto 003, select it, choose the value 1 bit, we want to send 0 to make it auto, and click for auto, I choose this icon and save. Then for speed 1, I come here, name it speed 1, the order is 2. For the speed 1, I choose the 1 byte control group address 001, but for status, you remember I select the 1 bit status speed 1 bit status specifically for this one. The value type is 1 byte. Set the value for speed 1 is 1, and the icon is speed 1. Click on save. I put the auto order to 1 to do it like this. Okay. The speed 2, I write it, the speed 2, the order is 3, select the group address for manual speed 1 byte, select the 1 bit status group address, I choose 1 byte. For speed 2, this is going to send 2, and this is the icon. Click on save. For speed 3, speed 0.3, the order is 4. This is a control and the status is 1 bit. 1 byte, set value. It's going to set value 3 for speed 3, and this is the speed 3. Also, I would like to send the speed 0. So because of that, I click on here, come here. I can go with custom button group with 1. I say this switch off, the order is 4, click on save, come here, switch off, order 4, the set value is the manual speed 1 byte, and send 0, and this is the icon. So with this one, I'm going to set it to 0. If you need more, you can add more and more and more. For example, for this one, I assume that I need to assign a special mode, comfort, economy, standby, protection. So I go and select the custom group. I do it number 4, click here and do the customs. Okay, that's great. After you finish it, you can go to device map, click on the touch panel you already have, and send DB database. When you send DB in the same network with your touch panel, you can send all the data to your touch panel and it will be updated, then you can use it. Great. Okay, thank you very much for listening to me. It would be my pleasure. By the way, my name is Amir. I'm a KNX tutor. You can reach me with info@sccenter.ir or sccenter.ir@gmail.com, or follow the captions in this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you very much. I hope this information finds you well, and see you in next trainings.